All right, guys, trade recap. Let's do this real quick because I really got to piss and I got to go to the gym. But yeah, let's get into this. So, coming into the day, we were playing in this 4 hour gap. We were also on the 15-minute playing in this gap. So, my initial bias, I was like, you know what? If we disrespect this gap, I'll go long, right? Shit, like if we disrespect this 15-minute gap. But we did not. Same thing on NQ. We did not we did not disrespect this gap. We actually respected it. We also had this 15-minute gap where I was like, all right, if we disrespect it, it's gonna give me more confirmation on this bearish bias. But what I didn't take into account was that we had relatively equal lows. Wait, no, we did not. Not here. Right here, yeah. We had relatively equal lows on NQ during pre-market. And that's where I was like, all right, if we, respect this gap, possibly push up into this hourly high, I can probably take shorts down to these lows, possibly equilibrium. But we did not. We respected the gap, then disrespected this gap, and then we started shit in the bed, taking out this low, right? And I'm like, well, there goes the trade for today. I mean, that's it. Nope, I was wrong. We took out these lows. Boom. We made a bullish SMT from these lows up to these lows. Dude, I gotta piss so bad. I can't even focus. From these lows down to these lows. I was like, all right, changing the bias. I'm gonna take longs up to these highs. Scaled into the 5-minute. We had this 5-minute gap. Scaled into the 1-minute. Boom, as soon as we inversed it on the 1-minute, I went long, break even at this swing high. Boom, first take profit, second take profit, third take profit. I did mess up the position sizes, so what did I buy in with? I bought in with 5 contracts. I wanted to buy in with 8, but I was too focused, bro. I was focused on the money. That was my issue today, bro. If I have to be honest, my issue, that's what it was. I was too focused on the money, and I was like, bro, quick, let me get into this trade. Quick trade. But yeah, so that's a trade recap. Very, very confusing, but let's see. Fuck, let me focus. Let's see if I can go over this again. Initially, I wanted my bias short because we were respecting this gap, disrespected this gap, but we started shit in the bed. And then when we took out these lows, I was like, all right, time to change my bias because there's no more, my take profits are pretty much taken out. Only way to go from here is up. So yeah, that's why I took longs. Anyways, I appreciate you guys for watching this trade recap. If you haven't subscribed, like this fucking video. Go follow the Instagram. Go follow the TikTok. I'll see you guys whenever I trade next, which is Monday. And then, oh my God, I completely forgot. CPI on Friday. So I did stack up on 2 Alpha Futures 0 evaluation plan. And so I'm going to be full porting those bitches on CPI. Hopefully we don't blow them. But yeah, I appreciate you guys for watching the trade recap. I'll see you guys tomorrow.